Welcome to Aura Career Launcher, a coaching institute for HSLC and NEET Standard 11 and 12. We are introducing HSLC crash course for 6 weeks starting from 9th January 2021. We provide live interactive session with our well-experienced teachers, examination technique, past HSLC questions papers analysis, well-structured study materials exclusively for the upcoming HSLC exam 2021, also online test to help prepare for HSLC exam from the comfort of home.
Heading organisms and environment are two non-separable factors. Aduna ngasai environment the label organisms to environment ka ani se akoina senna ba yaroi da ba kaina ba yaroi da ba non-separable oiba factors amakak ne ba ko. Organisms interact with each other and also with the physical factors such as wind, water, soil, etc. in the environment. Aduna environment da akoina kare ka yawi hai kare masagi physical factors like wind, water, soil yawi hai kare. Aduna kamai to ga hai kanda ngasagi environment da leibo organism kaido organism hadi kaino plant, animal, microorganism moi se kaido ga hai kanda they interact with each other. Hadi amaga interact tawnai ba organism amaga interact tawnai aduga moi masen interact tawbada natana moi na ngasagi physical factors habidi koi gi non living component to aduga sum interact tawnai ba aduna koi hauji yengasi ecosystem hai se kaino habdo koi hauji yengasi ecosystem hai se kaino the interacting organisms in an area together with the non-living components of the environment form the ecosystem or ecological system. Aduna ecosystem natragana ecological system hai se kaino habedi ngasai gi environment the label organism mayam se amaga interact tawnai aduga moi masen se organism to ga non-living component ga moi su interact tawnaga moi na system ama develop taweba adugi system dubni akoina ecosystem natragana ecological system hai se aduna saisa confuse kanu environment hai di akoi gi our surrounding akoi budu neve environment hai gana aduga ecosystem hai gana environment to the leriba living component na amaga interact tawnaba aduga living component na non living component to ga interact tawnabagi tawnaraga system ama form tawbodo adubuni akoina ecosystem hal se. I'll repeat again, the interacting organism in an area together with the non-living components of the environment form the ecosystem or the ecological system. Aduna akoi hojik diagram se yengsi si ecosystem ki diagram ne ba. Aduna diagram ba se yengo hojik masai se yauri ba se si yengo green plants producer si kanano living component ne ba. Aduna si ki green plants se sina oxygen carbon dioxide moge interact hoeba oxygen carbon dioxide kaino se non living component ne ba haidi living component ga non living component ga interact ore adagi sigi plant se sina ngasai gi sigi rabbit se siga mu interact ore haibadi sigi system se ja sigi environment se ja living component masa masen ju interact tawnare aduga living ga non living ga ju interact tawnai ba aduna moina interact tawu matamda system ama create taweba adugi system dubni akoina ecosystem or ecological system haribase aduna hoji akoi makha ta namu yengakpada ecosystem has two component aduna environmental component ani laiba adumaina ecosystem su component ani lai ahan bada kaino biotic component haiba ma aduga ani subadana kaino abiotic component haiba ma biotic component consists of microorganisms, plants and animals. Aduna biotic haibadi living component haibni. Aduna biotic components kana yaure microorganism, plants and animals. Aduga abiotic components haibadi non-living components haibni. Aduna abiotic components na kana yaure physical factors like temperature, rainfall, wind, soil, etc. So these are the two components of the ecosystem. Akoi hojik sigi se diagram gi matek na mu yengsi siengo this diagram shows the components of the ecosystem. Adun ahan bada kaino living component. Living habidi kaino living or it is also called as biotic. Living natragana biotic habani example the kana yaure plants lere animals lere fungi bacteria se animal ki diagram ni plants ki diagram ni. So these are the living components or the biotic components of the ecosystem. aduga ani subadana kaino non-living or it is called as abiotic component. Non-living natragana abiotic component. Example da kana kana lere physical factors kada kana no water, sunlight, soil, air, temperature, rainfall, then water silere. So these are the examples or these are the abiotic or non-living components of the ecosystem. Haduna sini ecosystem ki component sigi makha tarapada. Again, ecosystem can be natural ecosystems such as grassland, forest, ponds, lakes, etc. Aduna ecosystem se akoina natural.
For more details, scan the QR code. You can visit our website www.auracareerlauncher.com for registration. Download our app Aura EduPad or contact us to our WhatsApp number 6009-063-622 or 6009-039-770. Well, we have started our registration, so what are you waiting for? Join now.